Hello everyone! In this episode I'm going to show you how to create really cool design with stampin', Cerisa Sweetie Snow Wipe Gel and also liner gels. You can also have a bit of the fun with my favorite mermaid spray. Curious how I've done it? Let's watch to the end. I've first prepared my background with the gel polish pistachio and extreme matte top gel. Now I'm going to put it aside and prepare my stamping plate. Over my chosen design, I'm placing the liner gel, scrape away the excess, roll it to get my design, and stamp it. This one goes to the light for 30 seconds. After curing of my stamping, I'm going to continue with the liner gel black and thicken some of the lines to create the borders for the elements of my Cerisa Sweeties. I'm using my detailer brush. You can use the brush of your choice and choose the bigger elements and correct some of the lines. Continue all the desired shapes, and once you finish, cure it 60 seconds in your LED light. Now I'm going to prepare my Cerisa Sweeties colors. I'm going to use the Blueberry Twist, placing blue on my paper palette, and next the white coconut, placing it as well. I will mix these colors together to create the lighter blue. I'm still going to use the Blueberry Twist and white coconut. Now I'm going to start to fill up my elements with Cerisa Sweeties. I'm starting with the Blueberry Twist, placing the ball in the middle and move it towards the borders. Try not to touch the black lines. I'm going to continue with few elements with the Blueberry Twist. Now I'm going to pick up my mixture of the Blueberry Twist and the white coconut, the lighter blue, and place it below in a different element. Do not cure the elements. We're going to use the sugar technique with the mermaid spray. After filling up all of the elements with Cerisa Sweeties, I'm going to spray everything with the Mermaid Glitter Spray Multi. Be generous with your spray and make sure the glitter will sink inside the gel. Once my product is cured, I'm going to remove the excess of the glitter spray and add a few extra dots with the liner gel black. I'm using my scraping brush to remove the excess, and now adding a few dots to finish my design. I have cured my liner gel black dots, 60 seconds in an LED light, and this is my end result. That's the one I've created tonight, and that's the other combination with the same stamping. You can also create some in a different color combination. Hope you like my design for tonight. Thank you and see you next time.